Hi guys, welcome to channel. Now we are learn the beautiful animals name. Come on, let's go. Wow, lion. Lions have strong, compact bodies and powerful forelegs, teeth and jaws for pulling down and killing prey. Wow, lizard, green color lizard, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, seahorse, they are unique in appearance with their horse-like head, independently moving eyes. Wow, donkey, very nice. Then, wow, crane, big size crane. Cranes are tall birds with long legs, necks, and usually long bills. Then, wow, sheep, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, cow, amazing. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, keep support.